This is my smoked Gubeen chorizo with prawns, macaroni and wild garlic pesto. My name is Jenny, and this is a bit different than my kitchen in Fake Leg House Hotel, but we're going to do a really nice smoked Gubeen sausage chorizo with tiger prawns, macaroni and some wild garlic pesto. Okay, so we'll start with the wild garlic pesto. So the wild garlic is it's a nice oval leaf. It's in season now at the end of April, start of May, before the white flowers come out. So you want the oval leaf, so you can see it here. It was picked there this morning, and give it a good wash. You don't want any critters or anything in it, and try not to get it from the roadside because you don't want any pollutants on it from petrol and bits and pieces like that as well. So give it a good wash, and I'm going to do it in a nice glass bowl here so you can see just the colour of everything coming out. So here we go. Put everything in there, all that. So the recipe, you'll have this recipe as well. So it's nice, and it's everything, bang it all in together and just buzz it up. Okay, so just some wild garlic and putting a little clove of garlic just to enhance the flavour. Some toasted pine nuts. Okay, you can see those there. Just pop them in. And I'm using some rapeseed oil, some Wicklow rapeseed oil. So I have the, so that's it there. Just pop that in. So I'm going to just start buzzing that there now. Okay, and I have some boiling water on for the macaroni pasta. This dish altogether will probably take about 10 or 15 minutes. Just, you're really going to be waiting on the pasta. So I'm going to get on the pasta. So I'm using macaroni pasta, but you can use penne, you can use fresh tagliatelle, anything like that. So I'm just popping that in there now. Give it a little stir, stop it sticking. I think if you put a little stir in, some salt, that'll cook away there now. I don't put any oil in it, some people do, some people don't, but macaroni, I don't think it needs it. I need to put in the lemon, just a small bit of juice of lemon, and I'm going to put in a small bit of zest as well. Yeah. There we go, that's all that needs. And if I give it a bit of electricity. There we go. You can see that it's absolutely beautiful and it smells amazing. Beautiful. So leave that to the side. I'm going to just check the seasoning there now. Nope, doesn't need any salt or anything. It's just really, really nice. Leave that to the side. Now that'll last for about 2 weeks. In your fridge, but it's really nice. We just passed on its own. Just use it as a dipping sauce for bruschetta. Has a base. Now, so your pasta is cooking away there. So the ingredients for the rest of the dish is going to consist of some chorizo sausage, Gubeen chorizo sausage. You're going to need the lemon again, so some zest of lemon and another bit of juice. 1 shallot. Your tiger prawns, of course, and we're going to just put in maybe some chai flour as well at the end. Put on your pan heating slightly, turn that on, so you just want it kind of hot and then you can turn it down. So you can slice your shallot. There we go. I'm gonna slice your chorizo. I like keeping it long. This chorizo is really nice. It has like smoky, but yet it's quite spicy. So the best thing about this, there's all these beautiful oils that come out of it when you start cooking it as well. Now, the prawns, just make sure your tiger prawns, they're peeled and they deveined. You can see that there, that the vein is taken out of them. So the fishmonger will do that for you. Or you can use crab claws, you can use pink prawns, Dublin Bay prawns, any prawns at all, any shellfish or clams, you can use with it. So it's quite good as well. Pasta, you want it al dente, so that's probably about maybe 3 or 4 minutes away. We're using a dry white wine for our dish as well. Okay, so that pan is nice and hot. I'm going to just put in a small bit of oil. See, that's smoking away there now. Put on our chorizo first. So you want to get a nice, the natural oils that come out of chorizo. You can see that there. See the oil colouring there. I'm going to put in the shallots. There we go. Just give that another little stir. You can see that colour and the flavours are all coming out there. Beautiful. And then just a splash of white wine. Maybe 120 grams. Beautiful. Okay, so just bring that to the boil. Reduce there a tiny bit, that will come together nicely. You can see that there. And then I'm going to put in our tiger prawns. So I'm going to put in our tiger prawns one by one. I don't want to add any extra water to it. Oh. So you just want to lightly cook the prawns. You don't want to overcook the prawns. Now, just going to strain the pasta. Your pasta is ready? Yeah, perfect. It's perfect. Perfect. You can see the prawns there now, they're just starting to go a little pink. So prawns are ready. Move them over, give them a little turn. The prawns won't take long to cook, they'll probably only take about 3 to 5 minutes. And as you can see there, the wine is nearly all gone. And all the flavour now will stay in the prawns, which are chorizo as well. So just as the wine kind of disappears, I'm going to put in our macaroni pasta, and then lastly I'll put in our beautiful wild garlic pesto. At this stage I'm going to just put in a small bit of half black pepper and some sea salt. Put in our macaroni pasta. There we go. Yeah, you can put in baby spinach or any other veg or anything you like at this stage as well to bulk it out if you like. I find this is a good one. It's nice and quick, and it's very, very wholesome. Okay, so now our wild garlic pesto. Now you don't want to cook your garlic pesto for long. You don't even need to cook it. It's just I like putting it in on the pan so it's easier to mix everything together, and it saves on the washing up. There we go. There's our lovely dish. Smell that. Oh my god. It is just beautiful. Now, you have the prawns, you have the chorizo sausage, Gubeen's chorizo. There we go. I'm going to put some chive flour. Sorry. These are also just in the garden, so I'm very lucky to have such a garden outside with all these beautiful vegetables, well, not vegetables, but herbs in them. And I'm going to just finish with a small bit of pickled carrot just on top. I love pickled carrot. Just gives it that texture and finishing dish. And then I'm going to put a small bit of we have two types of fennel in the garden. We have a bronze fennel and we have regular fennel, so also very, very nice in this dish. So from my house to yours, this is my smoked Gubeen chorizo, prawns, macaroni and wild garlic pesto. Hope to see you back on Faith Legacy.